this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make everything black and white, a bit like this in DaVinci Resolve 17. This does work in DaVinci Resolve 16 and 15 if you still have it. So we'll go over to our thing here, and I'm going to drag in a clip of this. It's kind of cool, it has a bit of a lead up, and then we do a bit of a combo, kind of. Yeah, but here, we don't manage to break his bed, and we die. And that's a bit sad, isn't it? So we're gonna start from when we die, and that's when we die. So this is the clip that we're gonna be using to pretty much say that we hate it, you know, okay. So we're gonna head over to the color tab, and we're gonna just go over to it, and make sure we have the clip selected. We'll want to have nodes selected, and you want this color picker selected. Well, you don't have to have it, but you have it. And you want this RGB mixer selected. So you want to make sure you've got your thing selected up here, and all you do is go down here and click monochrome, and then it goes black and white. If you want to make it a bit different, you can change the red output, the green output, the blue output, and you could make it different, but I just keep it on just normal monochrome. And then you get just, and then if you really want to put more to it, we add a bit of on keybind. We add a bit of sad music. And then you just get something like that. Yeah, not much, but good for a funny clip. That was actually a really quick video of how to make black and white stuff black and white in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing. If this works, consider liking and subscribing, probably, because it will work. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.